Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we find the value of this fraction 12 divided by 4 parenthesis 5 plus 1 3 over 2. Now we solve it by the rules of mathematics PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, first we solve parenthesis, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and then addition or subtraction. Multiplication or division we solve from left to right, and addition or subtraction we solve from left to right. Now we have one division, one multiplication here, and one parenthesis and one multiplication here. So according to the rule, first we solve parenthesis. Now first of all we solve parenthesis. 12 divided by 4, and here is multiplication, and 5 plus 1 give us 6, and here also multiplication 3 over 2. Now according to the rule, multiplication or division we solve from left to right. In left side we have division, so we first of all we solve division. So 12 divided by 4, they give us 3, multiply by 6 and multiply by 3 over 2. Now according to the rule, if we have more than one multiplication, so we solve from left side. Now according to the rule, 3 times 6 they give us 18, multiply by 3 over 2, and 18 times 3 they give us 54 over 2, and 54 over 2 they give us 27. So the final answer is 27. Thanks for watching.